Garrett. Yeah, throw him some food. Take your food and you feed him.
Lammy. Lammy, move. I'm feeding a little baby.
Oh! What the? Where did he come from?
They look so
Where did you come from?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get my finger.
Oh, close the window before one comes over here.
Oh. Garrett, look.
Look, Garrett. Whoa.
Come here, Garrett, come here.
Just sit up there. Kim knows how to do it. Hannah's scared.
Oh, here comes another one.
Okay. Move.
Come here, Garrett.
Oh, street.
He's putting his head in the car.
He's eating a ball.
He's like showering himself with food.
Okay, that's
You're
good.
good,
That's
bud.
good.
So,